Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly, your car's manual shift mode stops working. You try shifting gears using the paddle shifters or gear selector but nothing happens. Then the check engine light comes on, and when you scan the system, you get P0828 up-down shift switch circuit high. This means your car's manual shift mode is facing an electrical issue, causing the transmission to ignore your shift commands. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain P0828. Its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0828? The P0828 trouble code appears when the ECU detects a high voltage signal from the up-down shift switch. This switch is responsible for sending shift commands when you manually change gears in automatic transmissions. Common symptoms of P0828: manual shift mode not working, transmission shifting abnormally or stuck in one gear, hard or delayed shifting in automatic mode, check engine light turns on, and gear display not showing manual mode. If you're experiencing these problems, let's check where the key sensors are located so you can diagnose the issue. To fix P0828, check these components. Up-down shift switch. Location, usually part of the gear shifter assembly, steering wheel paddle shifters or dashboard. Function, sends shift commands to the ECU when you manually change gears. Transmission control module. Location, typically mounted on the transmission housing or near the battery in the engine bay. Function, controls shift operations based on input from the shift switch and other sensors. Gear position sensor. Location, located near the transmission shift linkage, usually on the side of the transmission. Wiring harness and connectors run from the shift switch to the ECU and TCM, transmitting electrical signals for shifting commands. Shift circuit fuse and relay. Location, in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Function, provides power to the shift circuit. Common causes of P0828: faulty up-down shift switch. The switch may be sending incorrect voltage signals. Damaged or corroded wiring. A short circuit or high resistance can cause high voltage readings. Defective transmission control module, low battery voltage, or blown fuse can lead to incorrect voltage readings. How to fix P0828. Step 1. Test the up-down shift switch using a multimeter to check for proper voltage and continuity. Step 2. Inspect the gear shifter assembly and paddle shifters. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors for frayed or disconnected wires. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. Step 5. Test the gear position sensor for correct gear selections. Step 6. Check the fuse and relay. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive to see if manual shift mode is working. The P0828 code can make your manual shift mode useless. But with proper diagnosis, checking the shift switch, wiring, gear position sensor, and TCM, you can fix it. You can get your transmission working smoothly again. Watch these related videos next. P0522, engine oil pressure sensor circuit low. P0523, engine oil pressure sensor circuit high. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.